Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and I do hope you like it here. The hair I'm going to be reviewing today is from this company, NADULA. I'm sure you guys have heard about them. I've reviewed so many of their hair and I keep reviewing them because I really like them. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the things that they sent me with the hair that was in the box. I took a look already, so I'm not going to be surprised showing them to you now like I was when I first looked at them, because this is the first time I got some of these things that they sent me and I really liked them. They sent me this bag with their name on it. I like it. I really don't know what I'm going to carry in it yet, but maybe I could, store something in there. But I like it. They sent me this headband, and I believe I got 2 stocking cap. This is one of those scarves you use to tie your edges down with. Has their name on it also. Some lashes, a jewelry box, so it's a necklace and a pendant with it. And for the last thing that I like so much, it's a phone stand, a desktop phone stand, and we're gonna pull this part out like that. So this part is really nice and flexible. Anyway, moving on, I'm gonna show you guys the hair that they sent me. So here's the wig, guys, that I got. This is their 5x5 HD body wave wig, and it's 24 inches. It has 2 clips in the sides, and it also have another one here in the back. And this wig, I'm gonna be wearing it glueless, so I won't be gluing it onto my hair. I won't be using no spray, hopefully, to hold it down. I won't be using anything on it to hold it down. I'm just gonna be pinning it into my hair, and voila. So now that I have my stocking cap on, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on and see what it looks like on my head. And I'm probably gonna have to add some foundation here, but I want to see what it looks like before I do that. So far I like it. Like I said, I'm gonna have to add some foundation here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll see what it looks like again with the foundation there. So the foundation I'm going to be using on my wig today is the CoverGirl Outlast Extreme Wear 3-in-1. This is it. I like to use this foundation because it's lighter than my regular foundation, and I feel like it just works out. I bought it a while ago on Amazon for my skin, but when it came, it was too light. I actually bought 2 of them because I wasn't sure of my shade at the time when I was buying it, and when they came, they were both too light. One was lighter than the other, so I never get to wear them on my skin, and I always use it for this purpose and this purpose only. And like I said, it works out. So now, as you can see, it looks so much better now that I toned the wig cap down with the foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off and put it back on for the final time. I mean, I could cut it off while it's on my head, but I think I want to cut it off while it's off my head, since I have the option of doing that right now. And then I'm gonna get back and put it back on. Okay, so this is what it looks like now that I put it back on. I'm gonna show you guys. It's not glued down, it's just sitting there. So all I'm gonna do now is, go ahead and style it, curl it how I want it. So I'm gonna trim the front right here a little bit, just trim off some at the side so it could frame my face. Here I'm adding some curls, and this will be the last thing I do with it. I have a few of them curled already, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest. Then I'm gonna do some makeup and show you guys the outcome. Okay, all right. This is the final result, you guys. The hair came out looking beautiful. It's nice and bouncy. I just really wish it would have taken the curl more, but I'm still really pleased with it. I really didn't have to do too much work on it. I'm very happy about that. Also, it's very easy to go on and take off just because, you know, it's glueless. Again, this hair is from NADULA. They have really good quality hair, so definitely go check them out for some wigs or bundles, whatever you like. I will leave all their information down in the description box to make it easier for you guys to find them, just in case you're interested in purchasing anything from their website. Here is a quick look at the bag. I almost forget to show it to you guys, so here you go. As usual, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.